Hey, so we're back to business,
All right.
and we got Uncle Dan who's going to vlog,
All right.
and we have five smoke detectors and 3 carbon monoxide. So today we're gonna be test them all to make sure that everything works. The one that's closest to me is the one in the kitchen.
Okay, what kind is this one?
So this is a kitty detect smoke and carbon monoxide combo, and it is just beeps like it's piercing loud, and it comes with batteries too. So we'll do the battery test later. But for right now, let's spray it. That's literally against the chamber.
Let's see what it does.
Sometimes we wait for the alarm. Interesting. Let's see if I can actually get on my tippy toes and spray close.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Probably definitely interesting.
Look at all the smoke over there. Let's see the smoke. Wow, don't stand on that.
It's definitely hidden dense. Hold on, let's see if I can actually spray.
Make sure it's lined up. Hold on. Okay. Give it a second.
Go in the line. Give me a second.
Oh, there it goes. Here, you hold that.
Sometimes whenever it won't go, it's basically, you could also hush it.
Oh, nice.
So I'm going to basically
Good job.
do the test button next.
Smoke previously detected. Smoke previously detected.
Sometimes it'll just say that.
Yeah.
No.
Smoke
Well, it was
previously
too close
detected.
to the last alarm.
Hold on.
Smoke previously detected. Smoke previously detected.
All right, let's find the next one.
Oh,
Fire.
I think that's a button.
Warning. Carbon monoxide.
No, that's the test. Okay. I think we're good on that one.
And the last one is, I'm going to take this thing off, which is a pain to do.
Careful, don't break it.
I need you to hold this iPad for this. Okay. So this smoke detector do have a battery thing, and
Oh, that's a different type of battery. We can't test that one.
oh,
Those are AA, so we'll just say that one works. I don't think that'll test on there.
it can also just do that too.
Oh, can it go on that? Okay, there you go.
It's good.
Perfect.
And the next thing is good.
Excellent. All right, put them back in the right way.
Wait, this way.
Is there a picture?
Yep, one.
Yeah.
This one and go.
Okay, back up it goes.
Yeah, three. Goes.
Excellent. All right, nice work.
So that's this detector.
Okay.